Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about notations that we will be going to use for linear regression or any of the algorithms for this purpose. Okay. So we all know the hypothesis for linear regression, right? So that is given as h theta of x is equal to theta 0 x0 plus theta 1 x1, correct? Right? So the notations follows like this. So we will be having some training data set. Okay, training data set with some examples. It will have some examples called as training examples. Okay. So in univariate linear regression, we will have x, comma, y, correct? So there can be many training examples. So the number of training examples denoted by m. Okay, m stands for number of training examples. Okay, so this is m. Now we have something called as n. This denotes the number of features, right? So when I say features, you can also think of it as a independent variable. Okay, in case of univariate linear regression, n will be equal to 1, correct? That's the reason we are calling it as univariate, only one variable. Now this theta 0 and theta 1 are called as our learnable parameters, right? These are our learnable parameters. Then we have something called as x, it is our feature, and we have y, this is actual value. So this is actual value, right? And then the hypothesis that we are calculating here is also called as predicted value, right? We call it as predicted value, denoted as y hat. Okay, so this small y, so we can denote it as y hat. So this is our predicted value. Okay, since we have m training examples and only one feature, we can denote x1 as first training example, right? In this case, x1 stands for first feature because that's the only available feature in univariate linear regression. So x1 stands for first feature. So x1 comma y1 together we can treat it as a first training example. Likewise, x2 comma y2 can be treated as second training example. Okay, so like this we have m training examples. So we will be having xm comma ym as our mth training example. Okay, training example. Okay, now there is something called as alpha. This is called as learning rate. Okay, learning rate. I will talk about this when I am talking about gradient descent algorithm. Okay, just remember alpha as a learning rate. So this symbol here, it's called as alpha, and we call it as learning rate with respect to machine learning. Okay, so these are some of the important notations that I want you guys to remember, so that it will be easy for you to understand the gradient descent algorithm. Okay, so hope these notations are clear to you guys. If you guys have any questions regarding this, just post it in comment sections. I will try to get back to you. Till we meet the next time, Thanks one and all. Bye bye.